Okay, this is the elevator at the Empire State Plaza in Albany, New York.
Cute stinks.
Looks like innovation buttons. I don't even know what this even is. Let's watch the indicator. The elevator should be coming down. We're going to the street level. ST. Okay, it should be coming down by now. Here it is.
No, it's going up.
Yep. No, the street level was up.
Oh.
All right. Go up to ST.
Everyone, we're going up into ST.
AST.
Let's listen to the motor. I think this is a Hydra.
Oh.
Door close actually works.
Yep, this is a hydraulic. So
So do you like that
looks like a
necklace I bought
Schindler.
you?
Looks like a Schindler. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. This is a pretty nice elevator.
Yeah, I thought it was nice.
This looks like a Schindler, according to that arrow. Okay. All right, we'll watch the doors close. There it goes. And that's it.